Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a streaming-friendly VPN, one with dedicated Netflix servers and fast speeds. Sign up, enter payment, and remember your login. This avoids delays later. Now, open the App Store and install the official VPN app, then grant the app permission for local network and notifications so connections work. Once done, close background apps that use bandwidth. This improves reliability. Make sure your iPhone runs a recent iOS version to avoid compatibility issues with the VPN client. You now sign into the VPN app and review its default settings. Enable AutoConnect if you want instant protection. Next, pick a server in the country with the Netflix catalog you need. Choose a streaming-optimized or dedicated Netflix server when available. Then select the recommended protocol such as WireGuard for performance or IKEv2 for stability. Tap Connect and wait for the status to show connected. Once connected, clear the Netflix app cache or force close it so the app recognizes the new IP address. You should open Netflix and sign out, then sign back in so the app fetches region-specific content. This often makes new titles appear. If playback refuses to start, disconnect and try a different server or switch protocols. Some servers get blocked. Also, disable location services for Netflix and ensure DNS settings aren't forcing your real country. If problems persist, restart your iPhone to clear cached network state. Finally, contact your VPN support with a connection log if you still can't access the desired library.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.